about starting a vending machine business, or just curious about how these money making machines work? Well, today I'm answering the top 10 vending machine questions that people ask across my social media. Let's get straight into it. Question number 1, how much money can a vending machine make? This is the real question that everybody wants to know. Now, on average, a vending machine can make anywhere between £5 a day to £100+ a day, but that depends on location, foot traffic, and product selection. Placing the vending machine in high foot traffic areas such as offices, factories and schools can maximize your profit. So really it's uncapped. It all relies on the location. Question number 2, how much does it cost to start a vending machine business? I would recommend you start anywhere between £2,000 and £3,000. You could probably get a used machine for about £1,500. If you want to get a brand new machine, then you're talking thousands and thousands of pounds. And then you've got to buy things such as your product, your card reader, insurance, your tools such as your dolly. So you always want to have that little bit of extra cash on the side. Here's a good tip. Buying used machines from online marketplaces such as eBay and Facebook Marketplace or your local vending machine supplier can save you thousands of pounds. Question number 3, where's the best locations to place a vending machine? Now, high foot traffic is the most important aspect here. Some of the best location spots you can pick are schools and colleges, gyms, offices, factories, warehouses, but the list is endless. Now, a good idea you want to put into your head is, if people are waiting around, you probably want to put a vending machine there, such as break rooms and waiting rooms. Question number 4, what products sell the best? Now, it will always depend on your location. For example, you don't want to be putting Red Bull in a school. That probably won't look good for your business. But if you stick to the big brands such as Walker's, McCoy's, Coca-Cola, Cadbury's, Mars, typically these items will do well because of the brand is so big. Here's a tip. Now you can track your sales and see what's selling and adjust your stock by using a product map. I have a whole video about this. I will link it in the description. Question number 5, how do you restock and manage a vending machine? Most vending machine owners go to the locations once a week. It could be even more if the location is busy. What you want to do is you want to go and buy your stock, take it to the vending machine, build the vending machine up, always check for expired products, collect the cash, make sure it's clean, and most importantly, make sure your customers are happy. Now, if you use card readers such as Nayax, you can track everything from an app. You can see what's selling and what's not selling. So if you want to start this business, I would look into the Nayax card readers. Number 6, what happens when a vending machine breaks down? Who does the maintenance if something bad happens? Now, maintenance is part of the business. Most issues are simple, such as jams, coin mech errors, and motor problems. But for bigger issues, you're probably gonna want to get a technician out. Here's a tip. Keep a basic toolkit and learn how to fix the basic issues. This will save you so much time and money. If a vending machine goes down and it's something simple and you've learned how to fix it, then you can get that vending machine back up and running, meaning you're not having to wait for a technician and losing out on sales. Question number 7, do vending machines take credit card and mobile payments? The answer is yes. Most modern vending machines take payments such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and contactless. If your machine is cash only, like I said before, you can always upgrade it with a card reader. I preferably use Nayax. This can cost you anywhere between £300 to £500, but 85% of my sales are from card, so it's definitely worth that initial investment. Question number 8, now this is one of the most asked questions I get all the time. Do vending machines need a business license? Yes, most places are going to want you to be registered as a business, and most businesses are going to want to make sure that you're insured. Some locations may even want to get in a contract with you, so it does depend on the location. But on the insurance side of it, you're going to want to be insured just in case any accidents happen. Question number 9, how do you find locations for vending machines? Now, finding a location is the hardest part, but here's how to do it. Go and cold call or visit the location in person. Network with business owners. You can also email the location. You can also use softwares that tell you how many people are in that current business. All things such as email templates, contract templates, software, is all in the link in the bio in my starter course. And finally, question number 10. Is the vending machine business worth it? It's definitely worth it, but it all depends on your effort. Some people make £500 a month with only a couple of machines, while others, like myself, have built a full-time business making thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds a month. Here's a bonus question. Is it passive income? It's not passive. Passive income is income that requires little to no effort. And let me tell you, the vending machine business requires effort. Now don't get me wrong, you will make sales whilst you sleep, but you still need to make sure that that vending machine works, is being restocked and cleaned. Start small with this vending machine business and then scale up. There's no rush. If I can do it, you can do it too. So that is all my frequently asked questions answered. I've just released my 2025 vending machine business starter course. This is for people that are serious about getting started. It will be top line in my description. Also, DM me the word vending on Instagram if you want to learn more about this business. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more vending machine business tips. Also, drop a comment if you have any more questions. See you in the next one. Peace.